Moving on to page number 96. Lever. A simple machine that can lift or move any object with lesser amount of force is called a lever. A machine is considered a lever only if it has following three parts. Okay, if we talk about lever, so lever is a machine that can carry or move any object, that can lift or move any object with the less amount of force. So we call that machine lever. And how can we consider lever machine that this is a lever machine? If it has three parts, for example, pivot and fulcrum, load and effort. If it has these three parts, so it will be called as a lever machine. What is pivot and fulcrum? It's a fixed point. The whole lever moves about this point. For example, this is a pivot point, so it's a fixed point from which whole lever moves. Okay. In this machine, we can call this and this a lever. So this is a pivot or fulcrum. You can call it pivot or fulcrum this way. It means which makes the lever move. Number second is load. Load means the object we are using to carry or to move or to cut them or whatever. For example, here the load is of the boxes and here the load is placed under the nuts. It means this is a nutcracker. So it's a fulcrum and this is a load. Effort. What is effort? It is the force which we have to apply to lift or move the load. If we have to move the load or if we have to lift the load, so we need the effort and we need some force to move the load. For example, if I kept the load on this pivot, so it means the load will move in the down and this place will come up. So we need effort to make it balance. Over here, effort is the force we are using is through the hands. Coming to pulley. A pulley is another type of simple machine. It is commonly used for lifting heavy loads. A pulley is made using the following parts. Okay, so beta, pulley is also another type of simple machine and we use them for lifting heavy loads. It means when the loads are heavy and we have to lift it, we have to take it from one place to another, we need pulley. And it has two following parts, which is the wheel and a strong rope or chain. What is a wheel? Wheel is a fixed point such as that it can rotate the object. For example, you can see in this elevator that two wheels are placed. In this, you can see that one wheel is placed and the load is we can measure. This is a crane and where can we find its wheel? Its wheel are placed inside the crane. And there must be a strong rope or chain. Why? To pass over the wheel, to get the load, okay? To take the load from one place and keep it on the other place. Moving to page number 97. Inclined plane. An inclined plane is simply a flat, sloping surface. It helps in shifting heavy objects from one level of height to another without lifting them. An inclined plane joins the two levels. This allows the movement of heavy objects by pushing them from bottom to top with reduced efforts. Similarly, objects can be moved from top to bottom easily. Okay, why inclined planes are made? Inclined plane are made just for the flat when there is a flat surface and we need to carry heavy objects. It means we have to keep an heavy object from one place to another and we have to lift that heavy object. So an inclined plane is made to join that surfaces, both the surfaces, by pushing the object from bottom to top. Similarly, objects can be moved from top to bottoms easily. It means if the you can see that incline is made like this. So it means we can easily move the object from top to bottom. As you can see in hospitals as well, that for patients in hospital, those who are in hospital, the patients, so through wheelchair there is a inclined plane through which they can move easily. Wedge. A wedge is a simple machine with at least one sloped side ending in a sharp edge. It usually splits materials apart. A wedge consists of two inclined planes are joined back to back. The examples of wedges include, okay, what is a wedge? That a wedge is a simple machine. It is also a simple machine and it has one sloped side ending in a sharp edge. Okay, it has only one sloped side. And what is the function of this? To move the, to keep the object still. For example, wheel chocks. This we called it wedge as well, to stop the car so that the car cannot move above the wedge clock, wheel chock, sorry. And it has a sharp edge here, inclined plane 2, inclined plane 1. It means you can place the car here as well and you can place the car here as well. Moving to page number 98. Screw. The screw is a cylinder with an inclined plane twisted around it. Through rotation, it enables movement from a lower position to higher position or the opposite. Mostly a screw is used to hold objects together. What is a screw? That screw is made from metal. And this is a screw head. These are the higher position. The upper one is the higher position and the lower and the down one is, we called it lower position. And we twist them in any object and when it rotates, it enables the movement from a lower position to a higher position. It means if we want to fix something in the wall, in the cupboard, or in any furniture item, so we need screw to place them from lower position to higher position.